हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। इस वीडियो में हम लोग करने वाले हैं डीएवी क्लास 7 साइंस चैप्टर 5 हीट का समथिंग टू नो का A B C D and E पार्ट। तो आगे बढ़ने से पहले आप मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। पार्ट ए, फिल इन दी ब्लैंक्स। फर्स्ट, हीट इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ डैश एनर्जी। Second, the range of clinical thermometer is from dash Celsius to dash Celsius. 35 Celsius first, 42 Celsius second. Third, water is a dash conductor of heat. Bad. Fourth, land had sea breeze help to maintain the dash of air temperature. Fifth, transfer of heat from the sun to the earth takes place mainly through the process of dash radiation. Part B, write true or false for the following statements. First, heat cannot be produced by doing work. False. Second, no gaps are left between the rail of railway tracks. False. Third, poor conductor of heat are also good insulators of heat. True. Fourth, ventilators when provided in rooms are located near the roofs. True. Fifth, a material medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of radiation. False. Part C. Tick the correct option. First, a copper ball at 30 Celsius is put in a container containing water at 30 Celsius. In this case, there would be no transfer of heat between the copper ball and water. Second, the reading of the laboratory thermometer in the figure show here is 18 degrees Celsius. Third, it is not convenient to use the laboratory thermometer to measure our body temperature. This is so because as the thermometer is taken out from the mouth and level from mercury in it immediately start falling. Fourth, when we do hold our hands close to the side of a flame, they get warmed up mainly due to radiation. Fifth, the freezer compartment in a refrigerator is usually put near its top. This provides good cooling throughout the refrigerator through the setting up of convection current in the air inside the refrigerator. Part D. Answer the following question in brief. Question number 1. In which direction does the transfer of heat normally take place? Answer. Transfer of heat normally takes place from the hot object to the cold object. Question number 2. What is the cause of heat generation in the following situation? A. We apply brakes on our fast moving car. B. People often jump up and down to feel warmer in cold weather. Answer. A. Frictional force. B. Blood circulation rate increases. Question number 3. State two types of physical change that may take place when a substance is heated. Answer. Two types of physical change are as following. A. Changing of state. When water is heated over a flame, it starts boiling and gets converted into a steam. B. Change in temperature. When heat is added to a body, its temperature rises. Question number 4. In what ways does a clinical thermometer differ from an ordinary thermometer? Answer. Clinical thermometer. First, range of clinical thermometer is from 35 Celsius to 42 Celsius. Second, it is used to measure the temperature of the human body. Third, it has a kink in its capillary tube. Fourth, jerks are given to lower the mercury level. Laboratory thermometer. First, range of ordinary laboratory thermometer is from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Second, used to measure the temperature in laboratory. Third, no kink is present in it. Fourth, jacks need to not be given mercury level falls automatically. Question number 5. State the different modes of heat transfer in the following situation. A. A paper cup full of hot soup laying on a table. B. Cooking vegetable in a pan. C. Melting of a chocolate bar in the school bag on a hot day. D. Cooking food in a microwave oven. Answer. A. Convection. B. Convection as well as conduction. C. Conduction. D. Convection. Question number 6. What is meant by sea breeze? When does it occur? Answer. Sea breeze. The breeze that follow from sea surface to land surface during daytime is called sea breeze. It occurs during daytime. Part E. Answer the following question. Question number 1. In the arrangement shown in the figure, pins A, B, C and D are fixed to a circular metal loop with the help of wax. The circular metal loop is heated at the point A with the help of a candle flame. In which order would the pin fall if AB descending AD? Justify your answer. Answer. AB descending to AD and candle flame is placed at A. Therefore, pin A will fall first and then pin B. After that, pin D and at the last pin C will fall. This is because transfer of heat takes place with uniform rate on both sides of a point A. Question number 2. Give reason for the following. A. Iron rims are heated red hot before fixing them on cart wheels. Answer. Iron rim to be put a cart wheel is designed to have a slightly smaller diameter than that of the wheel. When this rim is heated, it becomes red hot, expands and slips on to the wheel easily. When it is cooled, it contracts and grips the wheel firmly. B. A clinical thermometer has a slight bend or kink in its capillary tube. Answer. A clinical thermometer has slight bend or kink in its capillary tube because the kink helps to maintain the level of mercury that raised due to temperature so that reading can be taken accurately. C. A new quilt is warmer than an old one. Answer. A quilt makes use of the bad conductivity of air. It wraps a layer of air between themselves and our body and does not allow our body heat to escape out easily. Such trapping of air is much better in a new quilt than in an old one because when the quilt gets older, the air spacking of the cotton or wool gets compressed. D. A brass tumbler feels much cooler than a wooden tray on a chilly day. Answer. A brass tumbler feels much cooler than a wooden tray on a chilly day because brass is a good conductor of heat. When we touch it, heat is conducted from the body to the brass tumbler easily and temp of our body reduced to a lower value. Thus we feel cooler. On the other hand, wood is a poor conductor of heat and very little heat is transferred to the wooden tray when we touch it. Thus we do not feel cooler. E. The bottoms of cooking untils are often kept black. Answer. The bottom of cooking untils is often kept black. This enables the untils to better absorb the heat of the flame. Akshit visited Rishikesh for river rafting during summer holidays at a campsite. There were 2 tents, one made with a black fabric and the other with a white fabric. Which one should Akshit prefer? Give reason for the choice. Should Akshit prefer the same tent during winters? Answer. Akshit should prefer tent made with a white fabric because it will absorb less amount of heat energy coming from sun. No, during winter, Akshit should prefer tent made with a black fabric because it will absorb more heat energy coming from sun and keeps warmer. Question number 4. Explain briefly how winds are caused. Answer. The wind are caused by differences in the atmospheric pressure. When the air at a place gets heated up, it expands and occupies more space. It therefore becomes lighter and moves up. The air pressure at that place then gets lowered, hence air from surrounding places rushes in the take the vacant place. This sets off convection current in air, leading to winds and storms. Question number 5. Supriya, while doing an experiment in the science laboratory, kept a laboratory thermometer P 10 centimeter away on one side of the flame of candle. Her friend Riya kept a similar thermometer Q 10 centimeter above the flame of the candle as shown in the figure. In which of the thermometer P or Q the rise in temperature will be faster? Give reason for your answer. Answer. Temperature in thermometer Q will rise faster as it will receive more amount of heat energy because it is placed just above the candle flame. Hot air above the candle flame will be rise up constantly. Temp in the thermometer Q will rise faster. Question number 6. In the two setups X and Y, so on the next page the wire AB and PQR are made of the same material and have equal thickness. The length of the wire AB in the setup of X is equal to the diameter is equal to PR of the semicircle formed by the wire PQR in the setup Y. Pins P1 and P2 are attached to wire AB and PQR respectively with the help of wax. Which of the two pins, P1 or P2, will fall off later? Give reason for your answer. Answer. Pin P2 will fall off later because length of the wire PQR is larger than that of wire AB. The required amount of heat to fall off the pins is received by the pin P first. आप सभी मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। धन्यवाद।